So welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to go on a drive to the Dragonslayer, which is over in Appalachia, Virginia. I'm going to drive over there into Kentucky. What I was going to try to do though is put a new mount for the GoPro, something a little different on the front of the car, and you'll get a chance to see that in this video. So where I'm going to put it is actually on the canard at the very bottom here at the front. And here it is set up on the car. We'll see how that works. I just drilled through the canard and set it up with a camera mount down below, and we'll just kind of see how that works. We'll see if it holds and if the views are, if they're good.
my charm. Everything I know will be gone in a minute, and that's alright. Running through the last of my thoughts, standing on the edge of my charm. Everything I know will be gone in a minute, and that's alright. Alright, 'cause I'm free. Freer than I've ever been before. Yeah, baby, I'm free. I'm freer than I've ever been before. Alright, 'cause I'm free. I'm freer than I've ever been before. Yeah, baby, I'm free. I'm freer than I've ever been before.
Well, that was the drive to the Dragonslayer. I hope y'all